Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My today's topic for class 9th is saturated solutions and unsaturated solutions. What are saturated solutions? A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at that temperature is called a saturated solution. For example, if in an aqueous salt solution no more salt can be dissolved at that temperature, then that salt solution will be a saturated solution. यानी जिसमें हम मज़ीद कोई सल्यूट डिज़ोल्व नहीं कर सकते उसको हम कहेंगे ये सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन है, यानी उसमें वो क्वांटिटी ऑलरेडी डिज़ोल्व हुई है, हम मज़ीद इसमें कोई मज़ीद अमाउंट कोई डिज़ोल्व नहीं कर सकते, उसको हम कहेंगे इट इज़ सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. Then unsaturated solution, a solution in which more quantity of solute can be dissolved without raising its temperature is called an unsaturated solution. For example, if in an aqueous solution of salt, more of salt can be dissolved without raising its temperature, then this salt solution will be an unsaturated solution. यानी वो solution जिसमें हम मज़ीद amount डिज़ोल्व कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल सॉल्ट एंड वाटर है, ये सोल्यूशन है, अगर हम मज़ीद इसमें सॉल्ट डिज़ोल्व करेंगे तो वो डिज़ोल्व होगा इसमें, तो देन इट इज़ एन अनसैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन. अगर हम एग्जांपल लेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल मैक्सिमम ऑफ 36 grams ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड दैट इज़ कॉमन सॉल्ट कैन बी डिज़ोल्व्ड इन 100 grams ऑफ वाटर एट अ टेम्परेचर ऑफ 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस. यानी अगर हम टेम्परेचर लेंगे एट 20 डिग्री, वाटर लेंगे हम 100 grams ऑफ वाटर, उसमें हम 36 grams ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड डिज़ोल्व कर सकते हैं. तो दिस सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड एट 20 डिग्री Celsius contains 36 grams of sodium chloride dissolved in 100 grams of water. Now the solubility. What is the solubility? The maximum amount of a solute which can be dissolved in 100 grams of a solvent at a specified temperature is known as the solubility of that solute in that solvent. If the solvent is water, then we can define solubility of this solubility as follows. The maximum amount of solute which can be dissolved in 100 grams of water at a given temperature is the solubility of that solute in water. यानी हम एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पर कितना अमाउंट solute डिज़ोल्व कर सकते हैं in 100 grams of solvent. That is the solubility. For example, we take the example of this potassium nitrate. A maximum of 32 grams of potassium nitrate can be dissolved in 100 grams of water. Therefore, the solubility of potassium nitrate in water is 32 grams at 20 degrees Celsius. यानी हम potassium nitrate 32 grams डिज़ोल्व कर सकते हैं in 100 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius पर. Similarly, a maximum of 36 grams of sodium chloride common salt can be dissolved in 100 grams of water. हम 36 grams of common salt डिज़ोल्व कर सकते हैं 100 grams of water में at 20 degree Celsius. So therefore the solubility of sodium chloride or common salt in water is 36 grams at 20 degree Celsius. So if we take the different substances dissolved in water, solubility in water, for example copper sulfate at 20 degrees Celsius, 21 grams of copper sulfate is dissolved in 100 grams of water. Potassium nitrate 32 grams, potassium chloride 34 grams, sodium chloride 37 grams. So the solubility of solids in liquids increases on increasing the temperature and decreases on decreasing the temperature. So at 0 degree Celsius we can dissolve copper sulfate of 14 grams in water. At